Hi, my name is Emily Granger from Biggin & Scott Knox. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions in regards to this property or any of our other properties currently for sale, please give me a call on 0421 929 013. Thank you and have a great day.
In one of Rowville's most desirable pockets, this superbly presented home offers the best in family living on a large allotment of approximately 980 square metres. The well-designed and functional floor plan comprises large formal lounge with built-in speakers, an entertainer's kitchen overlooking the meals and family room with a built-in bar, perfect for entertaining. Downstairs, a study, huge master bedroom including full ensuite with spa bath and walk-in robe, and two large bedrooms upstairs, both with built-in robes and complemented by the main bathroom and a kids' retreat. If you enjoy entertaining, this fantastic home comes fully equipped with a large covered outdoor entertaining area with built-in speakers overlooking the self-cleaning, solar-heated in-ground pool and private rear yard. Other features include gas ducted heating, evaporative cooling, double lock-up garage with workshop area that has plumbing ready for an outdoor bathroom or to be used as a home business. The list goes on. Close to all amenities, this fantastic family home is a must-see for anyone wanting a quality property in an unbeatable location. At Biggin & Scott Knox, we deliver.